Hey guys, it's Jay. Welcome back to Riding in Search of Enlightenment. I started my bike today to go for a ride and was met with some crazy kind of clanging, knocking sounds and vibration when I revved the engine, but I found the culprit. It was an exhaust mount bolt, completely sheared off in the bracket, and judging by the rust on the bolt, it looks like it might have failed a little while ago and I just hadn't noticed it or it hadn't kind of come loose yet, but it's in complete failure now, so I'm going to have to clean this up. As a motorcycle owner, and especially a Harley owner, you have to be religious about checking your bolts on your bike and tightening everything thoroughly. The stock hardware that came with these pipes isn't great, so I'll be upgrading everything to stainless and cleaning up the mount as well. The mounting bracket on the pipes have a nut that is welded in place, and the bolt actually sheared off in the nut, and so what I'm doing here is I'm just cutting that nut off, drilling out the hole, just do 5/16 just so I can throw a stainless bolt through and mount it up for myself. So after I kind of clean it up here, after I drill out the hole, what you don't see is I hit it with a little bit of Rust-Oleum and go for the install. The more I work on my bike, the more I begin to understand. A motorcycle is much like one's life. When times are good, we ride fast and hard. But we must know how to maintain ourselves and how to fix and mend things as they break. Because, more sure than the sun rising tomorrow, things will break. The only question is, are you going to get your hands dirty and fix things? Or cry about it on the side of the road and miss out on the ride?